Hello everyone, I am Dr. Abha Khandelwal and I am thrilled to welcome you all to our AI workshop today. Today's workshop is on ChatGPT tool, a symphony of intelligence crafted with brilliance by OpenAI. ChatGPT stands as the cutting edge of artificial intelligence, a masterpiece that redefines our relationship with technology. A super smart tool by OpenAI, like the superhero of artificial intelligence, it makes us realize how cool and powerful AI can be. Imagine being a student who missed a physics class and the class was on electromagnetic induction. No books, no friend, no one is sharing notes with him, and the teacher, of course, is not there because he missed the class. He is in a fix. But here, where ChatGPT steps in to save that day. It is like a clever companion who knows a lot about everything. Together, we are going to see how this AI tool can make learning a breeze even without books or classrooms or ever helping teachers. So let's kick off the workshop by exploring the awesomeness of ChatGPT. Once again, welcome to AI era where learning has become exciting and easy. So let's start. Now, while starting, let's open ChatGPT. So let's start making notes on electromagnetic induction. So what is electromagnetic induction? Only definition. Nice, we got the definition of electromagnetic induction. So, with Command C or Control C, copy this and keep one Word file open and there you paste it. Again go back. Now, let's see what am I supposed to know in or about electromagnetic induction in brief. Nice. So we got this, that what are the subtopics which are to be covered. Again, copy, go back, save, and come back to ChatGPT. Let's write explain Faraday's law. It was formulated by British scientist Michael Faraday. Okay. So, again go back to Word. And back to ChatGPT. After this, let's has to explain Lenz's law. the direction of induced current opposes the change in magnetic flux that produces it. Right. So let's learn this in detail. Nice. So this is all about Lenz's law. Let's copy it. And paste. Now what else we would like to know about electromagnetic induction, that is applications, right? So applications of electro, and even if I write explication it will do. Applications. So here are applications of electromagnetic induction. Yes. I think here we can stop our notes. So everything we have covered, and you must have realized that very little time was needed. This is how ChatGPT can be used for preparing notes on any topic. With passage of time, it has learnt a lot. The information provided nowadays is almost correct. Next video will be for researchers. It will be ChatGPT workshop for researchers. We will experience how AI has extended helping hands to make crucial life of researchers easy. Have a good day. We'll meet in next video. Thank you.